Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. This is Manfred. This is my YouTube channel. I do graphic design related videos. Thank you. I hope today you enjoy my video. So let's get into the video now. We want to introduce a solid color here as our background. So we go in, we select a solid color. We want to enter our color code. If you have your color code, number, you can just enter it. If you don't have, you can select it from the color palette. Off you go. So after you have entered your color code, you have a color code. We are using this dark gray for our background. You want to bring this text in here, index with Freddy's. So this is basically a photo studio, social media post. So we select our text and just have our text down, our words that we are going to use down. We just want to create a bit of kind of style with our background. Okay, so after you are done with the middle one, you place it beautifully in the middle. You just copy one to the right corner and you duplicate the same thing to the left corner. All right, so after that you do same to the middle, to the space in the top middle. You just scale it down so that you can get a small version of whatever that we have done, and you copy that small version so that you can have a two small version. And after you have done, you just copy all and you bring it down. So we want to fill the left and right spaces that is there. That's okay. We have done that. So we want to introduce some triangle in here. So we go to the triangle icon, then we just select our triangle. Please don't forget to subscribe. Support your man. Right, support your man. Let's get into the video. Okay, we have our triangle and now we are selecting the color that we are going to use for this triangle. I think we are going to go with this orange. That's good. We want to introduce another triangle. We are going to use more of triangle in this video. So this is what we want to do. This is the idea. Okay, we have it here. We duplicate our triangle. That's shift alt plus shift to duplicate your triangle. Then we have your double triangle. All right, here we just want to lock the background letters, the words at the background, so that anytime we are moving anything, any object, any shape, you don't go and move anything just like that, so that at the end something will be missing of your design. So we just want to go through and just lock all the necessary things that we think that it might move. Yes, so that is done now. So we want to bring on another triangle. By this triangle is going to actually have 8 edges, 4 edges, curve, so that we can create some bit of contrast in the triangle that we have done earlier on. All right, so you go there, you go to where the triangle property is, then you just scale it to the size that you want. I want 37, so you can also do the same. Yeah, we are done with the one that we did, so we want to bring in some shadows. So you double click on the triangle that you created, then you just want to do whatever that you want to do here. Distance, we are going to go for 10, and the size we are going to go for 5. You want to adjust everything and see what will be best for us. Okay, so looking at this, it's not what we want. Right, so we go back again and see what we can do. We look at our speed, we look at our distance, we bring in speed 4, distance 5. Okay, now I think it's quite good. We are still not getting what we want here. Okay, I think we are cool now. We already have our resource here, right? As all over there, these are the resources that we are going to use. So we have this resource here, and This is kind of, we are creating like an Instagram interface, right? An Instagram interface. So we just have our love and our call out, and I think that one is a shared icon, something like that. And those small dots over there shows how many pictures you are having, right? How many pictures you are having over there. So that's it. Okay. Okay, first of all, bring our first picture in. These are the beautiful ladies I decided to use for this design. Should I say I admire them? If you don't know her, she is called Jackie Appiah, a Ghanaian actress. Yeah, and the other one, I don't know her name, but she is a Nigerian actress as well. Okay, so we have her in the middle. We want to bring in the second one. This is our second image. We place it here. So as you are following the keys that I'm pressing, you just follow suit and know what I'm doing. Okay, so we just power clip the image into the triangles perfectly. All right, so we have our image icon. You know, in your Instagram you have your profile picture, right? You have your profile picture in there, but this one we are not going to use any profile picture. We just want to use the icon. We just want to use the icon for this. So this is what we want to do. We lower the opacity to 50%. Yeah, and you want to add a name to this, right? So we just want to use the name that we use for the background of this design here, index with Freddy's. And we want to select our font. We want a nice font for this. I mean, something that will stand out a bit. So we scale it down, we go to the T, scale it down. We want to scale it down and place it proportionally. Alright. You know, in graphic design we have, I mean, these four things that I don't know if every graphic design look out for whenever he or she is designing, but what I know is that if you want your design to be nice and stand out, these four things should not leave you. I mean, it's called crap. That's what they say. CRAP. And anytime you are designing, you just have to know that these four things. The C stands for your contrast, and the R stands for your repetition, the A stands for your alignment, and the P stands for your proportion. You have to make sure that all these four elements exist in your design so that your design can have, I mean, the beauty that it needs to have. So right now we are done with the index with Freddy's as our profile, I mean, name. So we want to introduce here, it is the package that the person offer. All right, remember I said it's a photo studio social media post. So this is the package the person have, right? So we have this basic in here, and it is a 3 package. So we just want to copy and go to get 3 triangles so that we can do whatever we want to do with it. So we have our triangle here. We just want to bring some variation in the colors. So we just want to, I mean, change the colors. We don't want it all black. We want to change it. All right. So we are done here. So the first one will take basic. All right. So the basic amount that the person is charging for this design, or the package the person is offering, you have it here, basic. Okay, what's happening? Okay, basic. You want to scale up the font a bit. Okay, that's good. Okay, all right. I'm trying to get the best out of this so that I can copy it to the next triangle. Okay, we have it here. We want to copy it again. We will copy it again to the last triangle. So the first one is basic and the second one is pro basic. This is it, pro basic. You want to align it. Yeah, all right. So we copy it again to the last one, and the last one will take premium. So we want to, what is this thing? Okay, premium, premium. All right, you have it. I think we are done. So you want to bring in the price tag. Okay, for the basic and for the pro basic and for the premium, offer, you want to bring in the price tag. I realize the font is not giving me the figures, the numbers. So I want to change the font to a different font so that I can get numbers. Alright, that is cool. Okay, so I think the person is offering 8 pieces of pictures. If you come to his studio, 8 pieces of pictures, 400 Ghana. 100 Ghana will be how much in dollars? I think, is it 10? Is it $10 or nowadays that the dollar is really giving the city this gap. Okay, and the pro basic tool will take 15 pieces with 200 Ghana cedis. Please, the figures you see there is not dollars. It is in my currency, my Ghanaian currency. Alright, it is 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana, and 300 Ghana. Alright, so we just want to place it well so that everything is done perfectly. Alright, so we want to bring in our contact info. So you already have our contact info. What is this thing doing? Where should I place it? It's gone. So change the color, solid black. And then you want to create some emphasis in this. We can't have all bold, all in bold font. We just want to create some contrast in here. So you want to book a shot with us, call or WhatsApp. You want to make the numbers rather bold. Okay, we are good. Fine. We want to align it well so that everything seems good. We are done in here, and for everyone who come across this social media post will know that okay, this is what this person is actually up to. Even if you can't read, whenever you see the image here, you see this camera image, you know what the communication is about. All right, you know what the communication is about, even if you don't know how to read. As soon as you see two beautiful ladies with a camera beside them, you know what the post is about. So we just want to create some shadow after we have our camera, because it is not selected. That's why we can have it. Okay, now it is selected. Go to blur, facial blur. We want to convert to smart object so that we can choose the perfect number, the perfect ratio, yeah, that can give us a perfect shadow for this camera. All right, I think this is cool. The 9 is cool. All right. I think it's fine now.
Alright, so we just want to bring in some introduction word
On top of everything. Okay, we want to find a nice font that will be suitable for this one. Okay, index with Freddy's. We have it. We want to change the middle one, the width. We want to change it to a different style. We want to change it to a different font. Okay, this one is awesome. Nice. Okay, as we have changed it, we just want to create some differences in whatever they have done. Just bring some white color so that we can have some differences. Alright, so I think this is cool. We want to scroll down to enable certain things. First of all, these white triangles are not going to be there like that. You just want to bring in some colors to show something nice. Alright, without forgetting, we want to bring in our packages. This is our packages that we did there on the right, the basic, the pro basic, and the premium. We have it there, but we want to bring in package over to select. Alright, so just create something directing everyone to what we are talking about. Okay, so this is it. We have our package here. We are typing out our package here, but you can realize that our package is in a different color, so we just want to select okay. It's not, although it's in a different color, but it is below what we are doing, that's why it's hiding. So we want to bring it on top. Okay, but now we have it on top, so that's why it's showing there. So we want to select the perfect font for this and change the color. It's not visible, so we want to change the color. Okay, all black. Let's see, I'll be in all black. Okay, all black. That's good. So we place it here. I want to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. So far so good. We are not much. I don't have much subscribers, but then I hope as time goes on, my computer will not fail me again. I hope my computer will not fail me again, because it's really hard. You are working with a machine and the machine develops a fault, and you have set up an audience and they are looking up to you and you are not showing up again. Oh God. So I hope my computer will not mess me up again. I thank you all for subscribing. Alright, and if you are new to my videos too, I welcome you. This is Manfred. I'm from West Africa, Ghana. Ghana, our motherland. So thank you very much. If you are a new subscriber to my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And I can see that people are watching my videos but they are not subscribing. Oh brother man, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. I love you all.